So really, really, really easy stretch right now for your hip, for those of us that have tight hips, that have trouble sitting cross-legged, that can't get into half lotus or lotus pose or whatever it is, or you just have radiating pain, whatever it is, and you know your hips are tight. This is actually one of the simplest and easiest ways to stretch it, and it doesn't even matter how flexible you are. If you're really inflexible, you can still do this. So you need a yoga block. You can use a couple books or something like that, whatever kind of object you want to create if you don't have a yoga block. The block comes in front of you like so. If you have a block, know that there's three heights of the block. There's the lowest height, the second height, and the highest height. We're starting at the lowest height. I'm going to use my left leg, this leg right here, and my right leg just bends in close to the body so it's in a fully relaxed position. Left foot comes onto the block like so, and you have to keep your foot in this bit of dorsiflexion, in this straight position. If the foot starts to point, the knee has a potential to be stressed a little bit more than you want. So keep your foot in this flexed position that helps protect the knee. From here, all you got to do is come forward. Super, super easy, and immediately the stretch goes into these external rotators, gets the hip to move. You can see I'm even pushing on my leg here a little bit. That just guides the rotation of the femur bone. But really all you have to do is this. If you feel like you need more, you've done this for a little bit, turn the block up. Stretch again. Hang out here for 20, 30 seconds, a minute, whatever you want. Wait for these muscles to release. Get the stretch in the hip. You can take the block up to the third height. This height's actually not as difficult as the first two, ironically. Just be careful on your knee. You don't want to put extra stress on the knee. One more thing. If this does hurt your knee, if you have pain in your knee, you need a blanket. You need something like to give some height. So you put your foot back up, you prop up the knee, prop up the shin, and then you come down. This way your knee's supported and your hip